In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a check from Bank of America, ensuring that your financial transactions are secure and reliable. Whenever dealing with checks, especially from third parties, it's crucial to confirm their authenticity to avoid any potential losses or inconveniences. Let's delve into how you can effectively verify a Bank of America check. First, start by inspecting the physical check itself. Take a good look at its features. You should find the Bank of America logo printed prominently. It shouldn't be stamped or feel out of place. Along the signature line, search for microprinting, a tiny print that's a security feature to prevent counterfeiting. Also, check for a security padlock icon located near the area where the check amount is printed. These signs are all indicators of a genuine check. If you notice anything like alterations, misspellings, or a low quality print, these could be red flags signaling that the check might be counterfeit. Next, it's important to verify the check number and account information. Check numbers should be present and follow a sequence. If they are missing or seem out of sequence, this is often a cause for concern. Ensure that the account and routing numbers are properly formatted. For Bank of America, the routing numbers should be 9 digits. This careful scrutiny helps confirm the check's validity and the legitimacy of the account it's drawn from. One of the most direct steps you can take is to contact Bank of America directly for verification. Call their customer service line at 1-800-432-1000. When you do, be ready to provide them with key details, like the check number, the amount on the check, and, if possible, the issuer's name and account details. Ask them to verify if the account has sufficient funds and whether the check is valid. This direct approach is often the most reassuring, giving you confirmation straight from the source. Alternatively, visiting a Bank of America branch in person can also serve to verify the check. Bring the check along with a photo ID and speak with a teller. They can quickly ascertain the check's authenticity and whether it is cashable, providing you with peace of mind. If the check originates from your own Bank of America account or from another Bank of America user, the mobile app may also assist you. Log in and utilize the deposit checks feature to scan and deposit it. The app is designed to reject invalid checks automatically, so if it's not authentic, this will be flagged immediately. Lastly, always remain vigilant for potential red flags. Be cautious with checks that are unexpectedly high in amount. If there's ever a request to return money via gift card or transfer, or if the sender is unknown or located abroad. These are common warning signs of fraudulent activity. By staying aware and following these steps, you can confidently handle checks, ensuring your transactions are secure and legitimate.